Hi, my name is Adarsh. I'm a co-founder at OysterHub. I'm a tax accountant. We help businesses save time using technologies, introducing modern technologies in business. Time is more important than money. That's what we teach our small business owners. So one of my first tips will be for small businesses to embrace change. Either you need to bring in new partners, diversify your business so you can have multiple streams of income, and also you need to move with technology. So I've seen business owners who spend more than 7 days doing all the manual work, all the paperwork. You need to embrace technology and introduce new technology in the business so you can save cost. My second tip is you need to know what business grants are available for businesses. Government is giving out money for small businesses struggling at the moment. So if you don't have an accountant, if you don't know what grants are available, get a professional advice, because right now the government has introduced grants which are available until next year. So get on there, because you might miss out on if you don't act right now. My third tip for businesses will be going in a reset mode. COVID-19 has told us the importance of time and family. So we need to find our purpose, why we have gone into the business, or you as a small business owner have gone into the business. Reset, rethink your purpose, because there's bigger things to come after COVID-19.